fool. Damn fool. Don't work like it does on TV, you damn fool. Did you get it on video, you damn fool? I gotta get Milo next time. Give me water, I'm drowning. Retard.
That's for not showing up for 2 days in a row, jackass.
Damn.
Oh man, I gotta put this
You used the wrong fucking shit, you damn fool.
No, I didn't. It's flour. You alright? You okay?
Damn fool.
Your husband's a retard, you know? Oh, you got